In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your video settings in CapCut to ensure you're exporting efficiently. Whether you're looking to save storage space or just want your video to play smoothly across different devices. First, we're going to look at clicking on the Export option. This is your gateway to preparing your video for sharing with the world. Once you've finalized your edits and are happy with how everything looks, head over to the top right corner of your CapCut interface and find the Export button. It's usually represented by an arrow pointing out of a box. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a range of settings and options to fine-tune how you want your final video to be. Now, let's dive into resolution settings. A common resolution for high-quality video is 4K, but sometimes reducing this can still give you great results and speed things up. By lowering your resolution from 4K down to 1080p, you're not only making the file size more manageable, but ensuring that your video can be more easily played on a wider variety of devices. Don't worry about losing too much quality. 1080p is still considered full HD and is more than adequate for most situations, capturing your visuals with clarity and detail. Moving along, another important setting to adjust is the bitrate. Bitrate essentially measures how much data is processed per second of video. By reducing the bitrate, you decrease the file size of your video, which can be particularly useful if your video platform or storage device has limitations. However, be mindful not to lower it too much, as this could affect the visual quality. A moderate reduction that strikes a balance between quality and file size is often the best approach. Next, let's talk about frames per second, or FPS. This setting influences the smoothness of your video playback. Typically, 60 FPS is used for high-motion content, as it makes for smoother visual flow. However, for many standard videos, using 30 FPS is more than sufficient. This will help cut down on file size and speed up the export process, without notably impacting the quality of most scenes. Switching to 30 FPS can make a significant difference, especially if your video doesn't require that very high frame rate for smoothness. By following these steps, clicking Export, reducing the resolution, adjusting the bit rate, and opting for a lower frame rate, you'll be able to streamline your video export process effectively in CapCut. These optimizations make your content more adaptable, allowing for smoother sharing and playback across various devices and platforms. So go ahead and try exporting with these adjustments and watch how they enhance your video workflow.